To access your plugins, go back to the left-hand side, go down and find the Plugins tab. Let's click into it here. And by default, you may have some pre-installed plugins here. When I create a new website, I like to start with a nice clean slate. So I'll begin by removing these pre-installed plugins. The first thing I'll do is click on the checkbox to select all of the plugins. Then I'll go to Bulk Actions, click on Deactivate, then click Apply. With our plugins deactivated, let's click on the checkbox again, click into Bulk Actions, then click on Delete. Click on Apply again, and that'll delete all of the pre-installed plugins. Now let's add a new plugin. Go to the bottom and click on Add Plugin. Then go back to the top right here and search for Starter Templates. This is the plugin we're looking for here, so click on Install Now. Then click Activate. And that's going to bring you right into the Starter Templates onboarding.